So how you do this is you pull it all the way up until it gets all the way to there. Okay, so what our machine is this, and how we build it is we use this to put the sides, so when it comes up, it doesn't fall because that will be bad. And then
Go ahead and pull your string.
how it works is you pull the string, and then it comes up here. Then you get hold. Then it comes down. We made the marble thing, and then first the first thing that we were trying is to pull it up like this, and then so we did it, so it actually worked. So then we put it back down. Then we by pulling this up. So we put a popsicle stick here, and we put tape around it, and then it works like this. And then the stick, and we put tape around it, and we also put 2 popsicle sticks over here, and then we tested it out, and we have 6 marbles, and then we pulled it, and then we made this, and it's a pulley. We put 6 marbles, and then we pull it up, and then
show me how you work it.
Who's gonna do it?